Hey guys, it's Nicola, and today I want to show you the Forge app that I've created that actually fetches the names of the projects along with their project keys. Now, I was actually using the jira-issue-panel template and the UI kit for this app, but ideally you actually want this to be either within your apps right here, this is not the one, or around, or actually in the sidebar itself. So actually this is how it works. I know it's called Hello World, it should be called something else, but this is what I have. So the project list within this site, and in here it's basically listing all of them, so with their names and with their project keys. And as you can see, so these are all of the projects in here. So if you're actually thinking if actually this was done with the API, the answer is of course correct. This was done indeed with the API. Now let's discuss about the code for a bit. So first of all, uh, from the official documentation by Atlassian, and that is regarding the Forge, you actually need to use import request Jira instead of import route Jira that you actually have by default when you're within your front end index.jsx file. And so how does it begin? So first of all, it begins by defining um, the React class, of course, that is using the use state in here. The second is actually fetching and calling the API itself, where first of all, I'm requesting from the Jira and using this API call. Well, basically this is the get request that actually the data is in the JSON format, but also when you're actually returning it, it needs to return the list of projects themselves. After that, then comes the use effect, where basically you're fetching all the projects, then setting the projects that actually matches this part right here. And the most important part, the output of everything, is mapping basically all of the projects. And when it's mapping all of the projects, it's also listing the project name along with the project key itself. So as you can see, just like it's being shown in here. So first it has the project list, the name of the project, and also its project key. Of course, it is printing all of that in the braces because the braces are actually right here. If you don't want to include the braces, you can just delete them, and basically that is it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.